Edim she'i at יכול להזימם, an edus, that you cannot make them a zoimimim, lav edus he. It's not considered an edus. The Torah says, by the Pasha of edus, ve'omdu shnei anoshim, the two edim have to stand. Ve'dorshu hashoiftim heitev, and the shoiftim have to question the edim, make sure that they are real, they are authentic, they're not fakers. Ve'hine eid sheker ho'eid, sheker ono be'ochiv. If they find that these edus were not true, the date that they witnessed, they were not in that place, two separate witnesses come and say, Imonu hoyisim b'mokom ploini be'oiso hayoim. That same day you were with us in a different place, so you did not see what you are being witnessed. The law is v'asitzem lo kasher zomam lasot leochiv ubiarto haremikebecho. You punish this edim with the same type of punishments that they wanted to bring upon his friend. This is called edim zoimimim. From here we learn out that any type of witnesses have to be able to become edim zoimimim, that they should get the punishment that they wanted to give to somebody else. So an aid, before he comes to Beis Din, we tell them, do you know that if you are going to be found zomem, you're going to get the same punishment that you wanted to bring to your friend? Rashi says that's the makor of the din of eidus, she'i ato yochel azimon lav eidus. Rashi is brought few places, in Pesachim Tafid Beis Omed Aleph, Sanhedrin Mem Aleph Omed Aleph. And the Maharal Miprak says the word zoimim comes from the shoyresh zom, zayin, mem. Zayin means zman and mem means mokom. You have to contradict the timing and the place, that the two edim were in different place and different time. Another din, that a din Torah has to start mi be'od yoim and end mi be'od yoim. If the sun comes down, you cannot continue the din Torah, you have to start again next day. How do you know this halacha? We learn from the end of Parshas Balak. When Pinchas killed Zimri, the Sanhedrin went and killed 24,000 people that went together with Zimri, and had to be mibe'od yoim, lifnei hashemesh. The Gemara in Sanhedrin says, from here we learn the halacha of yoim. Hoiko osom lashem neged hashemesh. Sanhedrin lamedalet omed beis. There's a little problem with this maise of killing 24,000 people. The Mishnah in Makos, at the end of the first perek, Rabbi Akiva says, a Beis Din that kills once in 70 years is considered a Beis Din katlonis, court of killers. So the Gemara has a kasha, how can you be melamed zchus? How can you save the person from dying? So if Reuven killed Shimon, you have to kill him. The Gemara says, the halacha is that if somebody kills a dying person, he is potter. If somebody kills a treifa, a person that has a hole in his lungs that he cannot live for 12 months, that's not considered murder. At least you cannot kill the killer. So Rabbi Akiva would ask the edim, how do you know that the person, Reuven, that was killed was not a treifa? He was not a bar ketolo. The same thing, if somebody kills a person that is put to death, at Beis Din said that he has to be killed, that's not considered killing. The person is considered already a dead person walking. Toises as a kasha, this is only good by retzicho. You cannot kill a rotzeach because you can say that he killed a dead body. How about chilul Shabbos? How about avodah zorah? Beis Din has to kill. So how can Rabbi Akiva say, I could spare the life of an avodah zorah, a mechalel Shabbos? How? So Toises says two terutzim. One teretz is that chilul Shabbos and avodah zorah is dover shelo shchiach. Like the Gemara says that the yetzirah of avodah zorah was destroyed. People do not have a cheshek to do avodah zorah. So in times of Rabbi Akiva already people did not have the yetzirah of avodah zorah. But in the midbar, people did have yetzirah for avodah zorah. Another teretz says there is such a thing as yetzirah from avodah zorah and from chilul Shabbos and it's shchiach. The reason why Rabbi Akiva would not kill a mechalel Shabbos, because you can say maybe this person who was mechalel Shabbos was also a treifa. So the edim can say that we were saying edus on a person which is a treifa. Comes out that these edus are not going to get killed because they're saying edus on a dead body. This is considered edus she'i ato yochel lahazimon. Memelo, the edus is bottled. Rabbi Akiva would passel the edus. That's what Toises says over there. The kasha is that we find in the midbar the mekoishesh was mechalel Shabbos and they killed him. And Rabbi Akiva says, who was the mekoishesh? Tzelafchad. According to Rabbi Akiva, why didn't they spare the life of the Mekoshesh? The same thing with Avodah Zorah. They killed 24,000 people who were Oved Avodah Zorah. Maybe they are treifo. How can you kill them? The people who gave Hasro are posle edus. Edim she'i atu יכול להזימם. You don't know if the person is treifo or not. And you cannot answer that it was Hoiro'os Shor, because we learn from them the halacha that you have to be goymer the din mi be'oid yoim. Of an Hoiro'os Shor, you cannot learn ledoiros. This is the kasha from the Shadchan Tshuvos Beis Yitzchok. It's a very interesting kasha, and he answers according to a Tosafos in Masechta Shabbos Perek Sheni B'Mimadlikim Daf Chov Beis Omed Beis, that he brings a braise the Meleches HaMishkan, that in the times of the Mishkan they had X-ray vision. The Onan HaKovot had the power of being able to see within the person's body and tell whether the person is a treif or not. Not only that, the entire Dor HaMidbar didn't have electricity. All they had is the Or HaGonus from the Anane HaKovot. And over there says in the Braise that when Mashiach is going to come, we're not going to have electricity, we're going to have the Anane HaKovot. If that's the case, in the Midbar, before they killed this Mekoshesh, they went through a screening to make sure that he's not a treifa. The same thing was with the people that were killed. By the Maaseh Shitin, the 24,000 people, they were all screened to make sure that they're not treifa. They had the ability to be screened. So Memela, it's not considered anymore a eidos she'i ato יכול להזימם. But today that we don't have screening, the eidos become possible because it's eidos she'i ato יכול להזימם. According to Rabbi Akiva, according to Tosafos. That's what it says in Shadchan Tshuvos Beis Yitzchok. And the Makos is in Yordeo, Simen Lametes, Ois Hes.